squeaky shoes? Did you get some squeaky shoes?
Let's see, baby.
Come to Mama.
What's that?
Come here.
What's that, Mom?
What? Did you get some squeaky shoes? Brown. Here to run. 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 Run.
Right here?
Yeah, run. Y'all go run. Go, Grandma. That's funny. Did you get squeaky shoes?
Brenna, I'm gonna get you.
Run. Come back.
Mom.
Come back. Oh, that's funny. Isn't that funny?
Mom.
You like your squeaky shoes?
Mom. I'm gonna wash your shoes. Next
There she
tomorrow, bring Brenna. Mom, tomorrow bring Brenna and put the squeaky shoes on.
Okay.
And show Miss Smith that she has squeaky
Okay.
shoes. It's cute.
Don't put that stuff in your mouth. Funny. That's funny.
Let's see it, baby. Let's see the baby. Hi, Goody.
Cutie patooties.
Lucky Suki. My eyes. Hey.
You see my sissy? Oh.
You see the baby?
All right.
Sissy,
No.
sissy. I'm gonna do funny face.
Okay.
Do funny
You gonna run
face.
around with your shoes on, your squeaky shoes?
I'm gonna do a funny face.
Bye.
I'm gonna do funny face.
Run. Come back. Come back. Yay. You want to see the baby? No. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, baby.
Bye-bye, baby.
Say labu,
Bye-bye,
baby.
baby.
Say labu, baby. Say labu.
Let me say bye-bye, sissy. Bye-bye, sissy. Bye-bye, baby.
Say labu.
Love you.
Say I love you.
You love me. We're happy family. Say hug to you. Won't you say you love me too?
Yay! Good job, girls.